The fractured Citizen Coalition for Change despite its controversial Secretary General Senzo Chabangu achipere muisizari pana mashoko anoshamisa muchiona kuti aiwa bato reramuzoto raparara aiwa riri loyal aiwa kuna raSenzo Chabangu panapa uya vachifaya aiwa Senzo Chabangu yangu zvavo vanhu vachiziva kuti Senzo Chabangu mukomana anozivikanwa kuti aiwa anotemba nevahombe sana pana mashoko amananyika panapo pasubscribe like on the bell icon tipinda panapa the latest update yemabuda nekomchinzi Chabangu seen as a figure as a key figure in frustrating Triple founder Masu Chemsa's leadership was dismissed shortly after the High Court reversed his controversial reshuffle of the party's parliamentary rules. In a statement by Kurawuni Chiwai, spokesperson of the divided faction, leader Washington Chabangu has been suspended pending a disciplinary hearing. This development marks the latest chapter in a series of clashes that have plunged the opposition party deeper into crisis. The conflict escalated dramatically earlier this year when Advocate Nelson James announced his departure from the Citizen Coalition for Change, citing infiltration and internal sabotage. Chabangu, a controversial figure within the party, played a significant role in decisions that sidelined the key Chamisa allies, further deepening divisions. Tension came to a head when the High Court overturned Chabangu's decision to strip lawmakers, including Kony, of their committee positions. This judicial intervention has triggered yet another round of internal disputes, highlighting the fragility of the Citizen Coalition for Change under its current leadership. Domashukwa nokuda panapa vanhu vachiona kuti aiwa Senzo Chabangu panguva inoi aiwa muchiona the High Court ichirefesa aiwa mareshuffles ake anodzoka kunoko bato rakaparara Citizen Coalition for Change achifaiwa. Tize mafundo enyu munotodii panguva inoi muchiona achimirira a disciplinary hearing. Tize mafundo enyu munotodii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Muna comment section menu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.